Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very important and very classy because in this video I'm going to share very beautiful, very pretty, amazing, eye-catching, unique, latest 3D silk ribbon embroidery design patterns. Yes friends, you have heard it right. But throughout this whole video we will be discussing different perspectives, different patterns, different uses, ranging from very simple and easy patterns to moving onto very complex, complicated, beautiful, 3D, artistic, professional style silk ribbon embroidery patterns. But before going into the further details or the depth of these design ideas, I have a very simple request to you that if you haven't subscribed my channel, or you are new to my channel, or you are watching my content for the very first time, then friends, kindly do subscribe my channel right now, and while subscribing do press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. And one more request, that if you really like this video, then don't forget to press the like button, and kindly do leave your comments in the comment section so that we could get updates, we could get ideas that how you feel about our content or what you want us to share with you. Okay friends, now we will not exaggerate or extend our continuous stream of request, and we will move forward to the main purpose and the basic essence of this entire video. Okay friends, so friends, one by one we will be discussing and we will be sharing very pretty and amazing ideas that how you can design these exact patterns, how you can use these silk ribbon embroidery patterns for designing a wide variety of stuff to elaborate, enhance and maintain your classy, fashionable look. So first of all, I am discussing and sharing some beautiful and amazing patterns that could be used as cushion covers, pillow covers. Even you can use these patterns onto your bed sheets, quilt covers, curtain covers, table mats, and all and each and every sort of home decor covering ideas. So friends, but these design patterns at the same time have a wide and a broader concept that you can not only use these patterns, these designs onto your cushion covers, pillow covers, or every type of home accessory, but you can use these exactly very beautiful silk ribbon embroidery patterns for the purpose of designing your dresses. Yes, you can use these very beautiful floral bunches to design your side neckline bunches, to design a very heavy floral motif of all over embroidery for designing your shirt, kurti, or you can use these very beautiful pretty floral bouquets, floral bunches, floral baskets of silk ribbon embroidery, very easy patterns along with a very beautiful touch of hand embroidery to give a very beautiful and exquisite view to your dresses. And you can use these to design your sleeve motifs, your borders of shirts, and even you can make these beautiful patterns onto your knitted materials like sweaters, cardigans, ponchos, wraps, neck warmer, hats. Even you can use this very beautiful and pretty floral combination of silk ribbon embroidery, silk ribbon work with a very beautiful and exquisite and delicate touch of thread embroidery onto your face masks. Yes friends, you can design your face mask by using these very beautiful patterns, and not only for face mask, you can use these very beautiful patterns for designing a very wide variety of entire range of handbags. And ladies bags could range from a number of design patterns and categories. You can make these patterns onto your everyday use bags, onto your clutch, purse, handbag, shoulder bags, and some stylish and latest trendy big boho bags, or handmade leather bags, handmade hand knitted crochet bags, onto straw bags, onto handmade hand knitted woolen material bags, or a sort of soft fluffy or a fabric based handmade bag, or even ready to wear bag. You can design your handbags, grocery bags, everyday use, college bag, office bag, and much more. I am giving much more examples because to give you some elaborative point of view. And if we talk about some specific domain context, that is the women fashion, then you can use these very beautiful patterns as designing of your jewelry like pendants, necklaces, earrings, rings, bracelets, and different types of ornaments that you want to decorate with the art of hand embroidery, silk ribbon embroidery, or the touch of hand art. So the broader the view, the broader the ideas, the more enchanted, the more ease, the more flexibility you can see in these designs, as we are moving from simple design, easy design ideas towards some sort of a little bit complex, but at the same time easy to make with a attention and focused work. So friends, and one more perspective that how you can use these very beautiful design patterns is you can use these silk ribbon embroidery, silk work, satin ribbon, or these are different names pronounced for one thing, that is a silk ribbon embroidery patterns and silk ribbon embroidery art for designing your walls, your house stuff. Like you can use these very beautiful and pretty design ideas to design your buttons that could be used onto your dresses, or to design your necklines, to design your slits. And you can use these very beautiful patterns for designing your baby bonnets and different type of accessories of babies, like baby footwear, like baby frocks, baby pants, and much more. And the most important thing that concerns a much deeper mean of embroidery artist, beginners, professional, that is you can use these for making very beautiful and delicate embroidery kit, hoop art designs. All of these are very latest. Hoop art represents a very unique, beautiful, colorful design combination of beautiful flowers along with leaves, branches, and stems. So I suggest you to kindly do try these patterns and share your ideas, share your experiences with us in the comment section, because comment section is the only section through which we can communicate and we could have a better way of connection. So I'm requesting you once again, kindly do like my video if you really like these designs. Try these designs if you are an embroidery beginner, you love silk ribbon embroidery or hand art. And stay blessed, stay focused, spread positivity, be a cause of positive motivation for others, and hope to see you soon back on my channel with my new video in my new contents. Up till then, take care of yourselves, and kindly please do make a habit of massively sharing my videos with your friends and family, so that not only you but your friends and family could also be entertained and get amazing and new trendy ideas of silk ribbon embroidery. And kindly help us to extend our network of YouTube family, subscribers, followers, and friends. So thank you so much for watching my content. Hope to see you soon back in my new videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.